Hi students, in this video class I am going to explain you how to exchange first half of the array with the second half. First of all, you need an array. Either you can input using accept function here, but here I have initialized the value directly. If you want, you can input the array. Now program is to exchange first half of the array with the second half. Array is declared here having 10 values 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, having indexes from 0 to 9. These are the indexes. Now what you have to do? You have to exchange first half. First half of the array is this one, and this is second half. In this program, we have to bring the second half here and first half here. So program is to exchange first half of the array with the second half. I have declared the array directly. Now if you want, you can declare only array as a data member using accept function or input function. You can input the size and the values, and then afterwards you can make one function which I am going to make. Function is void exchange, in which you have to exchange first half of the array with the second half. For this, what you have to do? The logic is you can exchange or swap first value 0 with the index having 5, 8, G5 and 8 you can exchange, and 20 and 7 you can exchange, 10 and 25 you can exchange, 15 and 12, 16 and 14. So in this function, I am initializing one loop variable, one temporary variable to exchange, and calculating the half of the array. Half of the array, dividing the length by 2. So length is 10, h will be 5, and using the loop, make one loop for I equal to 0, I is less than a dot length, divide by 2, make the loop just half, and now exchange t equal to ai, ai equal to a h, and ah equal to t. This is the swapping using third variable. So try to understand the working. I is 0 and h is 5. According to the example, hi is 0 and h is 5. So here t equal to a0, a0 equal to a5, a5 equal to t. It means 5 and 8 will be exchanged, swapped. Next time I will be 1, and you have to increase the value of h by 1 here, h plus plus. So h will become 6, and after the second iteration I will become 1. So 1 and 6 value will be exchanged, 20 and 7. Same way 2 and 7 will be exchanged, 3 and 8, 4 and 9. So in such a way you can exchange first half of the array with the second half. Afterwards you can make the display function to print the values. Display for int I equal to 0, I is less than a dot length, I plus plus, system dot out dot print ai with some space, one space is here, and now you can make the function public static void main string arguments. Create the object of the class interchange. The class name is interchange. Interchange object equal to new interchange. After creating the object, call the function exchange and then call display and close the class. So first of all, exchange function will exchange first half of the value with the second half. One more thing here, very important, if array contain odd number of values instead of 10, if it contain 11 values, one more value is there, suppose the value is 50 at index 10. Now second half of the array will be this one, 8 is the middle value. You don't have to exchange this value, it will remain there. So for this, what you have to do, check the length. If length is contains even number of values, then this program is right. If it contain odd number of values, then you have to start the value of h from 6. For this, what you have to do, if a dot length modulus 2 equal to 1, it means the length is odd, then increase the value of h by 1. But if length is even, h will remain at just half index. In such a way, you can exchange first half of the value with the second half. Let us continue with the second program. To reverse the values of the array within the array. Reverse means you have to reverse the order of the values, not the value itself. Reverse the order. It means, order means array contains this number of values. So reverse means 50 you have to bring here, and then 14 here, 12, 25, 7, 8, 16, 15, 10, 20 and 5. Output should be like this. You have to reverse the order of the values. Now question is changed to reverse the order of the values of the array. For this, what you have to do? In this case, you can exchange first value with the last value. First value 5 and 50 you can exchange, 50 will come here, 5 will be here. Then you can exchange 20 with 14, 14 will be here, 20 will be here, then 10 with the 12, 15 with 25, 16 with 7. If 8 is their middle index, then it will remain there. So array will be reversed. For this, what you have to do, I am going to make slight changes in this program. Here h equal to a dot length minus 1. So initially h will be at index 10, value of h will be 10 according to this example. So you have to exchange a0 with a10. So it will exchange, and then now reduce the value of h by 1. So in first case, h will be I will be 0 and h will be 10, and a0 and a10 value will be replaced, exchanged. Then h will become 9, second I will become 1, then 1 and 9th index value will be exchanged. But be careful, you have to make loop up to half also in this case. So class name is same, you can call in the same way. That is all.